pushing to develop independent supplies of critical minerals. Beijing recently imposed export controls on strategic metals, gallium and germanium. It has raised global fears that China could block exports of rare earths or processing technology next. Rare earths are a group of 17 elements such as lanthanum, cerium, europium and others. Rare earths are used in products from lasers to military equipment, magnets, all of these found in electric vehicles, wind turbines and consumer electronics such as iPhones. The adequate supply of minerals is critical for the transition to environment-friendly energy. And this is far from assured amid challenges such as uneven geographical diversification of resources. With a push to get more electricity from solar panels, wind turbines, hydroelectric and nuclear power plants, some analysts are worried now that there will not be enough key minerals to make the decarbonization switch. China exported no wrought germanium products last month compared to 8.63 metric tons in July, when volumes more than doubled from June as overseas buyers rushed in to lock in supply ahead of the curbs. There were also no exports of wrought gallium products in August. In July, exports were 5.15 tons and 7.67 tons in the same month in 2022. China accounted for 70% of world mine production of rare earths last year. It is home to at least 85% of global processing capacity. Beijing's export restrictions on gallium and germanium are widely seen as retaliation for US curbs on technology sales to China. According to USGS data, China is estimated to have 44 million metric tons of rare earth oxide equivalent in reserves, or 34% of the world total. Vietnam, Russia and Brazil are estimated to have just over 20 million metric tons each. India is estimated to have 6.9 million metric tons, Australia 4.2 million, and the United States has 2.3 million metric tons. Rare earths are relatively abundant but occur in low concentration and are usually found mixed together with one another or with radioactive elements such as uranium and thorium. The chemical properties of rare earths make them difficult to separate from surrounding materials, and processing generates toxic waste. Lax environmental standards enable China to build its dominance in this industry, and that too in recent decades as Western producers left the industry entirely.